It is day 2 of work. Well, I guess this is day 2. No, actually, I guess it's the 3rd day. It doesn't matter anymore. We're getting ready to get going here on the creek crossing. Pouring some more concrete today, hopefully, and we got some rock coming in to put on this as well. So I'll show you the state that we're in here the morning after the first pour that we made. All right, there is one side setting up nicely there, and here is the other side, also setting up nicely. And the thought up here, I think, of course it changes, as this is all a big experiment for us. If I can get up here. The thought up here is that we're gonna put some big rocks along the side there and here. Well, we already have some here. And then probably pour some concrete behind them and kind of make like a deal that goes out like this. That way when the water comes down and hits this wall, I mean, it's gonna pool up a little bit probably. Well, we're gonna pour some concrete out here in front of this too, but it's gonna pool up a little bit here, but we don't want it to wash out, like come back and wash out the bank and erode that. So we're gonna shore that up a little bit and put some stuff there too. And probably something similar on the downstream side, but a little bit different there because the water is gonna be coming out of these, unless it gets super high, and then it'll just wash over the top because we're gonna pour concrete over this so that it doesn't wash out. So that's the idea. We're gonna keep working on it today.
I'm so thankful for great friends. Oh, we're getting plants too.
Do we need to build that other side first?
Build what side?
We need to build that other side first and then meet them up.
Well, it don't matter. I mean, yeah. Maybe a couple more good hits. That's probably good. Yeah, that feels good.
It's coming along. It's been a day.
Well, you must not pull it this way.
Been a lot of work.
That way, you might pull some that way.
We have some great friends.
Ready? Yep. Yeah, let's go back. Ready, Andy man?